Alright, hey guys. So today I'm gonna walk you through the process of my lens cleaning. So for me personally, there's at least 3 steps that I like to follow when I go through cleaning my lenses. So the first one is inspect. So what you're gonna want to do here is take off your lens cap, and you're gonna want to look at the front side of your lens first and see if you have any smudges or any dust that is collected onto your lens here. And there's not too bad, it's not too bad of a smudge. There's not any dust on here. It's not too bad of a smudge, but that we can work on. And then you want to take a look here at the backside as well and see if you may have any thumbprints or anything or any dust that may have collected on the backside. And there is none here, so that's good. So my biggest rule is you always want to make sure that you have covered your lenses, because you don't want to have any dust collect on there at all. And when they're not covered at all, make sure you don't have them standing straight up. And then this one right here, backside good and front side good. And the other thing too is you want to make sure that you have an overhead light above you, because you want to make sure that you can see down what you're looking for, so you make sure you're getting a good view of what it is you're trying to get at, I guess you could say, because you're trying to make sure you don't miss anything, because camera quality is everything. And so you want to make sure you have clean lenses for your shoots. So back to this one right here. So you probably can't really see it, but there is some small smudges on here. So what I'm gonna do is take my dry cloth, and this is all gathered in a cleaning kit that I bought online, like $10 on Amazon. And it came with like a cleaning cloth, some cotton swabs, and some other important details. And so what you're gonna want to do is take your little sprayer here and take your cleaning cloth. You just want to spray a little bit, not too much. On your cleaning cloth here. And you want to do small circles, not big circles. Or you're going to want to start small and go big, I'm sorry. So you start small, and you go big. There you go. And the biggest thing too, you don't want to wipe. You don't want to go up and down, because that's just going to cause streaks, and it's just going to really affect your quality. Now the other thing that I don't have readily available to me, I wish I did, it's called a rocket blower, and that's good for just helping. You easily just take it. You would take it, squeeze it, and you could just blow off the dust that's on the lenses. It's also good for cleaning your image sensors and your mirrors that are in your cameras, because I use DSLR. And so you just want to make sure that you have everything clean and ready. The thing I use is I'll take a cotton swab, and make sure you have clean hands when you do this, because you don't want any oil to get on the cotton swab. But you would just take your cotton swab with your clean hands. You just make sure you tighten the cotton swab, and don't rub. You would just take a little poke at the little area of dust that's affected on the camera, and that would easily just pick off the dust you're looking for. Now, I would not recommend cleaning the image sensor with anything. That I would recommend getting done by a professional. But so what you do is you just take your cotton swab, nice and tight. And the dust that's left on your camera, you just poke around at it. You don't wipe, because if you do, it's just gonna cause excess residue on the camera lens. And this should get all the remaining dust that you're seeing here, just like so. And then obviously the big thing, make sure you recover your camera lenses and make sure they're well protected. So that is really it for my process. Like I said, I try not to clean my camera lenses too much, or at least like do an excess amount of it. I try to do it every so often, but it is very vital to make sure, because you want to make sure you get your good camera quality, the most out of your lenses. But for anything else, like I said, this little cleaning kit here came with everything I needed, and like I said, it's just a nice and easy process. So thank you for watching, and have a good rest of your day.